how to manage who can see your email on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your email on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, just go down until you find settings, click on it and then click personal and account information, and here just click edit email address, edit, and then click edit, and here you can manage it. You can make it public or only your friends, or no one here, only me. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.